This is the team Fair Play Award. Iya club usi iya ke kucebelele Tiki-Taka. They are defending this one. Now last season bayithola the most disciplined club eMzimba. Ifika ngesikhathi everything ireporta kahle ibe so organized. This is the club that is defending this trophy. Iya ke kucebelele Tiki-Taka. Ngiyacela ke ma directors bete batothatha sibashayele intando. So ushito Mr. Cedric Gutsi director naye bekangathi lo uthi awubhala athi ngibani ligama kodwa ke sisetha iprinter sicela ukuthi director abuye naye adult bread and breakfast at Sibebe Resort for 2 abuye.
Siyabonga kuSibebe, sibonga kakhulu le award lena, kakhulu is a place. Le award ke lena asikayitholi ngani ngekuhlakanipha, siyithole ngebuNkulunkulu. Because as the head coach ngachela nje badlali bami lokuthi we are not believing on Muti. Kufuna sifike ngesikhathi egroundini na check up point sifike ngesikhathi bangihlonipha ngathi into lenda ukuthi eteamini maze siwine kujima ne respect nekuhlonipha. So vele i-team njena lephethwe ngumfundisi kanzathi na coach as me ngingumfundisi. We are not believing on Muti because ngiko lokubulela emaqembu nalamakhulu nalamancane badlali njoba sibabancane uba contact kulokwanjana emthini basabe umuthi. So siyabonga kakhulu kuSibebe, siyabonga nakuho, siyabonga konke nje isupport na next year I promise ukuthi ngidawuphinde ngithole le trophy.